Hello and welcome to Someka Maternity Leave Planner Excel template. This Excel template helps you to prepare employee leave form, employee leave checklist, and also work handover list for maternity leaves. Click each button to go its page. Let's start with preparing an employee leave form. Once you click the button, you will already get a prepared format for your maternity leave plan. All you have to do is input the specific details for your maternity leave or your employee's maternity leave. Input your informations to the white cells only. Once you're done completing this form, you can easily get a printout. In the employee leave checklist, you can create periods and also tasks to check if they are done or not. You can edit these periods or create new ones as well. And once you're done with your tasks, you can mark it as checked. And also, you can prepare Work Handover List, just as the list that we launched in the previous sheet, that you can create a type or edit the type and create new responsibilities with point of contact, training period, and also if it is checked or not. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.